Oh man.
Gonna capture 2 minutes of driving just for the title of the video.
Private bridge, so we don't want to go that way. Talk about how we're all ready to launch here at Big Hawk Lake Marina. Start of another adventure. On a nice sunny, what do we got? 5 degrees? We'll see how the day warms up.
Seems like a great day for canoeing.
It is a great day for canoeing. Clear Lake, that's where we're going.
Are you taking a picture of it?
No, oh I could. Well, I'm videoing.
So we're going into Clear Lake, so you're 281, and you're going in here.
Yep.
210, going up around here, Red Pine, go through there. It's a 400, 500
we're going to cut that short by going down the creek, but there might be a lift over around a dam, and then into Nunikani.
Look at the one coming out, it's a 650, but hopefully we can go...
Cut the creek,
We are going to find a beautiful campground here at Wallace Lake.
Yeah, that's where the Swedish swimsuit team stands.
They got some snow.
Somewhere out there, we're looking for our first portage. Slight headwind we're paddling into, but we can manage. I'm good. Hey! A little tiring to fight the wind there, but we've made it to our first portage. So what do we got here? 280 it says, huh?
Not that far. Still haven't had my beer.
Oh, I just had that on the way in. And we're off. It's a little bit of a workout here. Not too bad. I've been on worse. I can see the lake up ahead. And welcome to Clear Lake. Cache of boats here. Not that surprising. Little bridge over the creek. And of course, back down the portage trail where we came from. So there we have one of the sites on Clear Lake. I think there are 2 sites on this lake. This lake has, as it's opened up here now and I can see it, there's at least 4 or 5 cabins on it, all boat access. The water is pretty clear. I'm sure it would be nice in the summertime. Uh-oh. Not sure how far it is. I don't know how far this one is.
What's that?
How long it is.
It's forever.
Forever.
The never-ending portage.
Just want to take the boardwalk, it's so muddy. Red Pine Lake. Wow. Wow, a bunch of smoke coming up off the cottage over here. Made it to Red Pine Lake and just got to paddle across here and we'll find the portage around a dam and a creek system into Nunikani Lake where we're staying. So probably be on our lake within an hour. One more portage to go and hopefully run most of the creek and eliminate a lot of the portage, but we shall see shortly. Because first up, battle the wind and head towards the smoky cottage. Actually found a nice calm section in here. Just about to portage around the dam, coming out of Red Pine and down the creek and into Nunikani Lake. Coming up. It's tough. Good luck to you there, Joe. Icy. Oh, what's in our sandwich, Dave?
Really good. Thank you.
Mortadella, Genoa salami,
Prosciutto?
prosciutto, like, but a prosciutto, like a dry prosciutto. So it's like a little small one, and then provolone, La Bomba pepper paste, mayonnaise, always mayonnaise, and lettuce.
What's the pepper paste?
La Bomba.
Oh,
Yeah, La Bomba.
I'm not putting that
Yeah.
on my
Richie Valens style.
What's it? Well, no, it's La Bomba tomorrow.
All right, so it's going to be down the creek we go. We'll see what much water there is, how much we can canoe versus walk, but hope for the best.
That guy I've known for like 20 years. Yeah. But the rest of them are like neighbors. Yeah. Friends in the area.
I'm gonna bring it right up. So,
Having fun yet?
Oh yeah. I have never walked my canoe before. My dog many a time.
Nothing like a good canoe walk. Welcome to Nunikani Lake. Yeah, straight across in that dark shadowy bush. The group site would have had some nice sun. Appears to be well signed. Hammock. Hammock. Scott's in a hammock down there. Well, let's take a look what we got set up here now. Starting with hammock, Brother Scott, Brother Joe in the tent, and Brother Jordan.
What is that?
Your tent.
Oh, great song.
That's me.
Hello. Oh. Hey, what's going on?
Yeah.
We need to fix that fire pit a bit.
Can't you change the white casing?
Yeah.
That's like it. Hold on. Okay, that was really important. Did a splinter just hit my ear? Probably.
Where's safety come in?
Scared. Safety third, guys.
Safety third.
Safety.
Safety third. We're gonna burn it.
You're just burying it deeper, eh?
Yeah.
Jesus loves me, this I know. Johnny Walker's one devil, the kind of man who's about.
It's cracking. Nobody else has another axe, eh? Hey, where's that big knife? Watch it. Here, you can put this on the fire.
Oh, I fucking kicked up and hit my elbow. God damn it.
Well, after a day of paddling, 3 lakes, 3 portages, the creek was a bit of a lining the canoe exercise for shallow water, but we made it here, got everything set up, have the fire going, and dinner is next on the agenda once we make sure we're stocked up on firewood for the evening.
Let's burn it.
Eventually, yeah, we will.
We will. Once we get that one, that's the slow roaster to keep us warm for the dinner, and we'll get the coals going. And
Taking a sample from the wine bar?
Yeah,
Taste a little taster? The other one up top, yeah. Tastes like it was a good year.
82.
Yeah.
Good vintage.
Excellent.
what year is that Merlot?
So let's take a look at what's on the menu tonight.
So we got old-fashioned beans in pork with pork and tomato sauce. Those ones, well, Libby's, whatever. This is, so we smoked St. Louis ribs. It was a sweet rub, just like a plain barbecue, like just a smoky barbecue sauce, and we're gonna heat them up sous vide. And then we're gonna have some jambalaya rice and some sweet corn, little Mexican style sweet corn.
So, do you remember what size that was?
So who was that?
Yours is?
That was the Life Aquatic.
What's that right now, Dave? What helps them?
Take a look.
It's time till the job's done. Okay. You like that? Oh, there's a raspberry Ace Hill beer. 1 gram of sugar. Really? Or should we wait until after? See when who's some more hungry?
Make sure.
you want me to put more on, Dave, or?
Yeah, well, I don't know, whatever. Whoever's hungry for now.
Oh my God. Okay, hold on here, boys. Where's the, next? Okay, here, just fire that right
That
there.
work for you?
Yeah. Let me get your plate. Which one is yours?
Can we put some dinner music on, please?
Yeah. Is this not dinner music?
Oh, country.
We have to understand if it meets neighbor Jordan's approval.
Yeah.
Not appropriate dinner music.
Okay.
Oh my God. So it's like an 8 out of 10 around here right now?
Hold on. Fall off the bone ribs, guys.
Oh.
It's
I mean, it's okay.
I mean, the guys across the lake are having scarios.
Not exactly a brontosaurus burger, but maybe not bad.
Dave, delicious, buddy.
Good ribs?
Yeah. Wow.
Swipe up and point it.
Hang over the line.
And I think for portaging, like they get so small. Like you're fired in like these chairs. Like I know your tents don't take up much.
Never cast your lure directly at the structure. Always cast about 20 feet past, then swim your bait slowly over or immediately beside the item. This area is called the strike zone. If you feel a bump on your line, set the hook hard.
I think I might have to read.
That's one more. Yeah. You're not getting no glory on this motherfucker.
No, you do it. It's all you, buddy.
Yeah.
One right here.
Right there. Woo!
Ooh.
Yeah? Yeah. Love that sound.
Here we go. Timber. There we go. Yeah, beautiful sound.
I think you loosened it, Scott.
Wow. I can feel that. That's a good workout. I love it. Good morning. Are those your arms and the two shoestrings dangling from your shoulders? That's solid work. This is a guy's weekend away. Look at this. Look at this. This is what, you know, I know you guys have it good out in BC, but you can't beat the Ontario Lake.
$1 million view right here.
$1 million view here. Which one is this, Ryan?
I'm Big Hawk Lake, but you can't
Where did we start from, guys?
So we're Joe's poaching some eggs. We're making a little bit of hollandaise, little instant hollandaise. Unfortunately, no double boiler this time. So you gotta,
how are we making hollandaise?
just a Nor pack kit.
Okay. That's butter you're on that?
Yeah, so you melt butter first.
You're using Netflix?
Add the
No, I
Add
don't
the
watch
stuff?
that series. I
Add
just
the
watch
packet.
Formula One. I would rather
And it
watch
should bind up pretty good.
I've been to Montreal. I've seen the race. Montreal's my favorite city in Canada. Do you have?
Yeah. Feels firm.
No, not yet.
Scott?
Get a little grill action.
You guys really think it's another level. Well, I want to see a little fire start, Jordan.
He x-rayed it all to take a look at it, and then that re-x-ray the doctor was like, you gotta stop doing martial arts, dude.
Oh, fuck.
But unfortunately,
Dave, I can only get so hard, man.
man, it's amazing.
Would hot sauce be in order?
Sure.
Yeah,
I love hot
that
sauce.
works too. How's that, Jordan?
Amazing.
Yeah. Everything.
To the chef?
Slightly more.
No.
To the
slightly
chef?
beautiful.
Slightly less,
Less.
for me, but
a little
it's
hard,
good.
but hey, it's delicious.
It's
So just out on the lake, having a day trip. We're gonna head into some back lakes that are off of our lake we're camping on here. Up ahead, I don't know if it's a creek or if it's just a straight up portage trail. I don't see any signs, so we'll see what adventure is in store for us. So it turns out it's a pretty nice trail and a very nice area through the forest here, broken up sunlight coming through, two creeks that kind of cascade down out of the hills and they run together.
Steps roll, corner be up here.
gotta wear glasses. Lucky I did put on glasses. That's right, man. Walking through here, you're walking.
Oh yeah.
Hey?
Like that's a pretty good dam.
I am so glad you didn't make us bring the goddamn canoes up here. It's just
But it would have been good.
beautiful.
Look, I bet you that lake, and then it opens
How
up.
many years do you think this dam is?
Well, it's holding good. I think it's been maintained, right?
Beaver did this though, no?
Yeah, beaver dam. Yeah. And then I bet you just paddle around the corner there, and it opens up into the lake up there. Nice.
By the way, after the 5,000 calorie burn.
I find the other stuff like cat food now.
It's a bit cat food,
Cat foodie. Yeah. How would you know?
because I've tried cat food, obviously.
Real mark.
All right, well, end of the line for us today. We were able to make it just to this junction here. We'd have to keep going upstream if we wanted to get to the next lake. And we'll just work our way back to the campsite now and call it a day. But it's a very nice area here. We've all been quite impressed with just the beaver dams and lakes and streams and nice sunny weather for 1st of May. It's very nice.
But that just adds foreground.
Yeah,
that's
there
artistic.
You go. Let's go 3, 2, 1, smile. That's looking good there, Dave. Checking out your boat.
Boat is clearly made of aluminum.
A lot of work to bring those boats up too. Pretty high up.
Really, what are they going to do with the northern wall? Get that?
Yeah. Heading back after a nice day in the water. Sun's probably setting behind me. So obviously we're heading east. We took a day trip today to the west of our lake, a couple of portages. Deep lakes, a lot of beaver dam activity. Not too much luck with the fishing, but a very nice area. Very nice area, and everything to ourselves. No other people around us today. We didn't run into anybody else on the trails. It is nice to be out and have a nice remote feeling that way. All right, what do we got happening over here?
So this is a buffalo pepper and onion mix.
Buffalo pepper and onion mix. Okay, so we got onion and red pepper and green pepper, and we got hot sauce. Yeah, and butter, right?
And butter.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's actually not that hot. It's more like a creamy buttery.
All right.
That will go on top of the sausage. And
Right.
It's done. We leave that.
We have green beans
Yeah.
that have to be. That's just gonna be boiled.
Yeah. The green beans would just be boiled green. Or yeah.
And this is pasta.
This is not yet though.
It's gonna be pasta.
And this is a smoked tomato and pesto sauce with it.
Pre-made smoked tomato and pesto sauce.
Yeah. Ooh. Well, the bottoms are toasty.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I like sausages with a little crust. I don't want you to use one. No. There's no such thing as waste.
Yeah. Fresh sausage buns, courtesy of University Bakery in Guelph, Ontario.
Wow.
Mill Street Lager.
Yeah. Yeah, Mill Street Lager. And only Barilla pasta, the finest.
Frank's Red.
Frank's Red. Yeah. Like to thank my sponsor.
Clothes provided by Columbia.
So we're back here for sausage on a bun down by the water there. Great day today on our day trip. Not too much luck with the fishing, of course, but we got to see Wallace Pond, which is west of the lake we're staying on. And now we'll settle down for the night, have a fire, and see what stars come out. Enjoy that the best we can, because we're out of here tomorrow.
Probably one of my favorite, like, it's on a lot. Jordan, that rum is spectacular.
One minute? Yeah, we're 1 minute on the pasta.
Yeah, don't worry, I got it.
When your third fiance didn't show. Wanna go? Okay, boys. I'll serve.
Joseph, go
Oh,
to
yeah.
your plate.
Thank you. Can I use the tongs for that? I'll grab your plate. Looks good.
That pasta is good.
Is it good?
Nice.
I smoked the tomatoes last weekend.
Really?
Yeah.
I just want to get some green beans. I don't think that's,
It's suspenseful. Neighbor Jordan.
When I eat, I only use Rodriguez's plastic plates.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Chef extraordinaire. Whoa. I can't even close this sandwich. Oh, that sauce is awesome. And it's smoked tomato and what?
Smoked tomato and pesto. So I took like 16 cherry tomatoes, like the big ones. Smoked them for 2.5 hours. So I
Mind just turning it down once? Thank you. This is a station that you got. Sorry, I can't get you. Good.
No, that's empty.
Oh, no worries, guys. No
There's
worries.
vino. There's vino.
I still have a whiskey somewhere.
No.
Did you want whiskey, Scott? I still have one.
Hope that wind will, may the wind be at your back. We'll see you at home.
Later, fellas. Later, Bob.
Windy day. Well, last look around. We're all packed up and set to head out. It's significantly windier today than on our every other day we've been here. So right now it could be helpful, but it also could be against us. You never know what turn you make out there on the lake. So we'll see if we can take this wind challenge. It's going to be tough. It's gusting pretty good sometimes in here. Not too bad at the moment. Wind actually might be helping a little bit. That could be a nice little spot. See if we can shorten that somehow. Ooh.
It's like that for quite a while.
I don't think there's any shortcuts. We're going to be in for a long walk. 700 meters or so, 600 meters?
2.8K.
Little hot tub area there.
They're going up to the dam.
That's right. So from right here back to the dam is 195 meters. We just
So
walked
it must be that this is all open for the most part.
Yeah, well, we're going to try to make it
If the water
now.
level is low enough,
We're gonna
you might
try
not
it.
be able to access this, and you've got to go all the way.
It's very possible.
Yeah. So this is very doable. There's enough water here. This is probably the standard issue. Ends up being a shorter portage. You're just going around the dam and the creek, and now we can get out to Big Hawk Lake. And now we're out of the creek area. There's actually a day use site right there, but it's marked as, and that is where the portage, the long 700 meter portage trail comes out to there. So you could take that from the day use site, I guess, to get up to the dam. So back on the big lake, Big Hawk Lake, and the home stretch coming up. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. There's some whitecaps out there, and it opens up to the lake. Shallow all on the right here. Pretty windy out in the middle. That is a lot windier and wavier than it probably looks. We could have a bit of a problem here getting across there. That's tough going out there. I don't know. Got some cottage here. We'll figure out what we're going to do next.
Now, you said that the last paddlers were picked up from here as well.
Oh, the first cottage you found you. And their names were...
She's on her way out.
And their names were Scott.
Dave.
So we ended up calling Marina to come pick us up.
We're calling in for a rescue.
No, honestly. Not lying at all, man. Yeah. It's like 35 kilometer gusts.
2-foot swells.
Yeah, yeah. Once we hit Big Hawk, it was crazy. It's
The gales of November came early. He'll know what that means.
30-foot swells. The November gales came early. He said.
I figure we might as well get our rescuer. This is our rescuer from what's the marina?
Big Hawk Lake Marina.
Big Hawk Lake Marina. Thank you very much, Sabrina.
Hopefully I make it back with you.
I would very much like us all to make it back safe and sound. This film does not do it justice.
How did you spend your
leave weekend?
How did you spend your Sunday afternoon?
We just needed a rescue. Coast Guard Sabrina. The canoes have never gone this fast.
That's true.
Sidewalk down. As long as it doesn't flip over. Oh man, that's a lot of water.
Oh boy. Craziest adventures ever. Getting towed back. Had to call the marina to give us a ride. It was just too windy to move forward. And well, maybe you'll get to see a little bit what the experience was like on that boat. But we made it. So we'll get the car and get things loaded up, and that's gonna wrap up another trip. Little extra adventure at the end that wasn't expected. Anyway, until next time.